How to create a new file or folder in cPanel File Manager. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Now go to Files section and click on the File Manager. There is a list of directories where you can create your file. To create a file within public HTML directory, click on the public HTML directory and open it in the adjoining window. You can see the public_HTML directory is open now. Now click on +File to create a new file. Enter the name without quotes of the file with extension and click on Create New File. Here is the created file within public HTML. Similarly, you can create a folder by clicking on +Folder. Just keep in mind while naming a file or a folder that you should not use quotes in name of the file or folder. Thank you for watching.